Take a ride in the 2026 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, power windows, trip computer, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, brake assist. Feel the rush of adrenaline as you accelerate into the future.